In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Wix website editor with ease, ensuring your edits are saved and highlighted appropriately. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly. To begin, you'll want to open up the Wix website editor. This will be your main hub for creating and customizing your website. Once you're in, remember that keeping your work saved is crucial. After making any changes or updates to your site, head over to the Save button. This ensures that all your efforts are securely logged and ready for your next session or for publication. Think of it as the digital equivalent of saving your progress in a game, vital to protecting your hard work from unexpected hiccups. Next, we're moving on to the highlighting feature. This tool can be incredibly useful for drawing attention to key areas on your website. When you've identified the text or section you want to highlight, simply click on it. This feature can be particularly helpful for emphasizing important information or creating a visual hierarchy within your content. It's a nifty trick to make sure visitors notice what's essential at a glance. Ready to refine your content further? The Edit button is your next stop. Clicking on Edit allows you to delve deeper into adjustments. Whether it's changing the font, altering the layout, or revising the text, this is where you get to polish and perfect your material. It's all about making your site not just functional, but also aesthetically appealing and true to your brand's voice. After editing, it might be beneficial to apply another round of highlighting to reaffirm those key points. Remember, consistency in your design approach will help strengthen the overall appearance of your site, guiding the viewer's attention effectively from one area to the next. Once you're satisfied with all the changes and highlights, confirm everything by clicking Done. This step meticulously saves all your edits, tweaks, and highlights, solidifying them into your site's structure. It wraps up your session neatly, allowing you to step back and review your accomplishments with a clear mind. Lastly, you'll notice that the Wix platform has a feature: Auto-Save is on. This is an excellent safety net, as it automatically saves your work as you go. However, manually saving after significant edits is always a good practice to ensure nothing is lost. It's like having an assistant who silently ensures everything is in its right place, offering peace of mind as you create. And there you have it, a straightforward walkthrough of using editor.wix.com to enhance your web design process. By following these steps, you'll keep your work organized, eye-catching, and ready to engage any visitor who stops by. Happy editing!